You could get run over for all I care.
When you arrived back at your first wife's house, what did you come back to the house with? Fridge, freezer and the...
TV and washing machine, which I had paid for.
You took the TV?
Yes, sir. Stuff I had paid for.
In the circumstances, back with your wife now, do you feel bad about how you behaved and what's happened?
Yes, sir.
To what extent?
That I'm sorry that I caused you heartache.
John, Louise. John, Louise cared for you. She took her responsibilities and her role as a carer extremely seriously. The two of you lived together for a short period of time in a property in which you were both entitled to housing benefit, and that's the first part of your claim. There was a debt which was accrued as a result of overpayment of housing benefit, which I have no difficulty coming to a finding that you were both jointly liable for. Okay. Now, the total debt for that is £2,552.20. That's not all your debt. Half of it is John's. Therefore, I can only award you half of that, and this court will make an award of £1,276.10. I now deal with the rest of the case. John, the rest of the case started and was triggered as a result of your appalling behaviour, which you now admit. It's clear to me that John has admitted taking the fridge freezer and the washing machine, you say, were £500.
Correct.
Now, John says he paid for that washing machine and for that fridge freezer. However, he's been unable to provide me with evidence to that effect. So I consider your claim. I look at your statement and Mum's statement and especially Grandma's statement. And I have three people against one saying they paid for the white goods, for the washing machine and for the fridge freezer, and that he never paid a penny. Therefore, on the balance of probabilities, it seems to me I have to award you. So this court will award you £500 for that. In respect of the broken door, that wouldn't have happened if you had answered the telephone. The police did that, and you found yourself in a situation where you're now charged or liable to replace that broken door. £100. Very easy. You get that too. You asked for £100 for a utility bill, that's electric and gas. You both use the electric and gas, you're entitled to half of that. Therefore, the court awards you £50 in respect of that. Now, in respect of the furniture, this is, as far as I can gather, 6 of one and half a dozen of the other. I simply don't know what's happened here. I'm not satisfied in the circumstances that you're able to prove that he took the property, and even if he did, exactly what property he took or to what value. In those circumstances, I can't award you anything. No evidence, no award. It's as simple as that. And this court, therefore, awards you £1,926.10. That's the award of this court.